talk about direct variation, which is a continuation on our discussion of proportionality. What I want you to do is to look at this graph right here. You can see that y equals 2x. So if we were doing an xy chart, we would have the points for x and y. You would see we would have 0, 0. We would have 1, 2. We'd have 2, 4. And you can see that 2 to 1, 4 to 2, all gives you the same. You'll also notice that this goes through the origin, which is a key feature of direct variation. So direct variation needs to be able to be written in the form y equals kx. After our discussion of slope yesterday, you'll see that k is kind of in the spot where slope is. The number k, which we use for slope, but that's called the constant of proportionality. So we look at these three examples down here. Which of those is examples of direct variation? Can it be written in the form y equals kx? This one right here, to get y by itself, you divide by x. So we could put this as y equals 3 over x. Do you see how this would not be in the form? Do you see how that x is in the denominator? So that would be an example that is not direct variation. Okay, this is actually what's called inverse variation, which I think you'll learn about in subsequent years. Okay, this one right here, can we write it in the form y equals kx? We could multiply both sides by 3, and then you would get 3x equals y. So yes, that can be. This would be an example of direct variation. And then this one right here, we could write it as y equals x minus 1, which we've done equations earlier, like what's my rule type of questions. But because this does not go through the origin, this would not be direct variation. So in these three examples, only this one would be an example of direct variation. Okay, so let's look at these ones right here. So we're trying to figure out if it is direct variation. You can see right off the bat, A, because it does not go through the origin, this would not be. And this would be, and this, I believe, is y equals x. Let's see here. And what does it mean for x and y to vary directly? As one number gets bigger, the other gets bigger, and they go up by the same amount. Okay, also means that there's a proportional relationship. And that's all we have for today. Have a great day.